There's a big misconception about what people can and cannot do with an investment in a self-directed IRA. Let's use a house. That's the most common investment. People say, what can I do with a house? I've been told I can't. And I ask, who told you that? And they always say, a guy told me. Let me tell you, I've been in the business a long time. There's somebody out there named Guy, and he's making up stories. When I find him, I'm gonna punch him in the mouth. Here's what you can and cannot do. You can do everything with that investment that is important. You're going to choose the property. You're going to decide how much is the IRA is going to pay. If it's a rental property, you're going to decide how much the rent is going to be. If you're going to rehab the property, you're going to decide what the rehabs are going to be. You're going to decide all the important things. The one thing that you cannot do is physical labor, right? No sweat equity. So if there is work to be done, call a handyman. And let's be honest, do you really want to repair toilets? Do you really want to climb up on the roof and tack down shingles? No, call a handyman, call a contractor, let them do the work while you're doing the important things. So you can do everything with a property except physical labor. Typically, I often say to people, if you never pick up anything heavier than a ballpoint pen, you probably did it right.